I'm a vascular surgeon and I'm here to tell you that your skin care can make or break your varicose veins. Time and again, throughout all my videos, I have always stressed that proper skin care is essential to prevent varicose veins problem. Because varicose veins is not just a cosmetic problem, it can lead to multiple issues ranging from skin pigmentation, ulcers, or even bleeding. While surgery, interventions, and medical treatments are necessary to treat the underlying vein condition, additional skincare routines can definitely be helpful and useful to reduce the amount of complications that you may have. So today, let us explore how proper skincare routine should be followed if you have a varicose veins problem. So the first part of this video is why skincare is important for people with varicose veins. So let me tell you the fundamentals what varicose veins are. Varicose veins starts because the valves in your veins are not working properly. This leads to a lot of pooling of blood in your legs. As a result of this blood pooling, the skin starts to become dry, is itchy, and will start getting pigmentation or a brownish color to it. If not cared for properly, the skin can break down and lead to the formation of ulcers. So the key thing to remember is that if at this stage the skin is not taken care, then the likelihood of developing ulcers is very high. So a skincare routine is important not for cosmetic purpose or make your veins go away, but to prevent future complications. So now let us talk about what skincare would be ideal for someone who has a varicose vein problem. So these steps are simple, but if you do them regularly, I'm sure you'll be able to keep your skin very healthy. And the first is hydration. Yes, hydration or good water intake is essential to keep your skin moist. And apart from just a proper hydration by water intake, having a local hydration effect or moisturizing effect on the skin is also very essential. For this, you may apply a moisturizer which is rich in glycerin or hyaluronic acid. These ingredients will lock in moisture and lead to a smoother skin while retaining the moisture in them. And you should make moisturizing a habit. One in the morning after you have had your bath, and the second is just before bedtime. So this is crucial to prevent dryness, irritation, and itching. What we would not recommend you to do is to use any harsh chemicals for this purpose. These chemicals may sometimes irritate an already fragile skin and hence probably lead to the chances of ulcers. The second important thing you can do is gentle cleansing. When you have varicose veins, you want to keep your skin intact and still keep it clean. So that is where washing has to be done with gentle ingredients and not use any harsh chemicals. Use a gentle hydrating cleanser that is free from most chemicals. And try to look for one which has a pH balanced formula. When you wash your skin, make sure it is with lukewarm water and not hot water, because with hot water, the chances of veins dilating, bursting, and bleeding may be very high. And the third tip in this is to gently pat with a towel. We've seen people who rub that area in an attempt to clean the pigmentation, but they end up damaging the skin and then having a bleeding from that area. So please be gentle with your own skin. Additionally, do not try and use any exfoliative scrubs on your skin, because some do try that in a hope to get the pigmentation out. But remember, the pigmentation is because of internal factors and not because of external factors. So if you use such scrubs, the chances of skin thinning and skin ulcerations may actually be higher. In case you feel that the area around a varicose vein or an ulcer is very bad and you haven't been able to clean it, use a gentle soap to clean that area. The third thing you should do is to massage your area which has varicose veins. So gentle massage also helps to divert the blood flow from that area towards the inner veins or towards the upper veins. So when you massage your legs, make sure you do them from below upwards, from your feet towards the knees. For massage, you may use either olive oil, castor oil, coconut oil, or any of the essential oil. There are a number of commercially available oils, but there is hardly any difference between the standard ones and commercially available oils. And massage works best if you elevate your legs after a session of massage. But when you're doing a massage or getting a massage done, make sure that it's not too rough or tough. When excess pressure is applied over an area, the chances of bleeding may be high. So make sure that the massage which is done is also done gently. And the fourth thing you can do is to use compression socks. Compression socks and stockings are one of the most effective ways to keep the vein problems under control. These stockings provide gentle pressure to your legs, enough to prevent pooling of blood in your legs and hence prevent the swelling, edema or skin changes that happen with varicose veins. When you use stockings, make sure you use them throughout the day and remove it at night. Some people we've noted have itching in their skin when they use such stockings for longer hours. So here's what they can do. The first is to wash the stockings regularly every 3 days. In doing so, there is no dirt in the stockings and hence the chances of itching or infection may be reduced. Additionally, you may apply any talcum powder on your legs and foot before you wear the stockings. And once you are done with the day, remove the stockings, clean up the area and apply a light moisturizing lotion. The fifth thing you can do to take care of your skin is to ensure proper nutrition for your skin and veins. What you eat plays a very important and essential role, not just in your circulation but also in your skin. So a diet which is rich in proteins and also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties will be helpful to keep your skin, protect your skin from the harmful damage that veins can cause. Especially aim for vitamin C foods, which may be the citrus fruits that you like, the amla, oranges, lemon, strawberries, or the foods which are rich in flavonoids, which may be berries, and also the fiber-rich fruits and vegetables. These all are very helpful to keep your nutrition healthy. Now a few points about what you should not do. The first thing is that in case you have a problem in your skin, it may be a small blister, a small ulcer, or even bleeding from one side, do consult your vascular surgeon early. The second important mistake which often people do is think of it as a cosmetic problem, keep applying gels, oils and creams hoping for a miracle cure. No, it doesn't happen. So if you feel that despite applying whatever you are, your veins are increasing in size, do consult a vascular surgeon and get the veins treated or fixed in time. And yes, stay away from a few myths that I'll also tell you about. There are many myths surrounding the role of skincare when it comes to varicose veins. And the first common myth we have seen is that oils and creams can help cure varicose veins problem. Don't fall for the marketing gimmicks of many of these companies which claim to have magical results. Recently, someone used my earlier video and used voice cloning to market some of their products which were turmeric patches. And I also got a few inquiries for the same from my patients, hoping that I have started a new business to cure varicose veins by such patches. Please don't get misled by most of these advertisements. The way that most of these oils, creams, they help is to improve the condition of the skin, reducing your itching, reducing the swelling and inflammation, and improving the moisture of the skin and cause a soothing effect. But the underlying veins may not disappear with just application of anything done locally. So remember, if you have varicose veins, skincare is an essential component, but not the only component to be taken care of. And if you're wondering which are the proven treatment methods that vascular surgeons like us use to treat varicose veins, then this video will show you 11 such methods which we use to treat varicose veins.